Want to learn how to connect your AirPods with your gaming PC and your gaming laptops on Windows? Yes, it is possible. Stick around and I'll show you guys in a sec. Hey guys, welcome back to Sneaky Sensei here on YouTube. Today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to connect your AirPods to your gaming PC or to your gaming laptop. And yes guys, it does not have to be Apple. It could be Apple or it could be Windows. So allow me to show you guys how to connect your AirPods to your gaming PC or to your gaming laptop. So the first thing what you guys want to do is go to Windows and you guys want to search for settings. So once you've opened settings, also I should mention as well though, if your device has Bluetooth, this will work fantastically actually. So then what you guys want to do, come to Bluetooth under device, and also you want to press on add device. So once when you have pressed on add a device, go to Bluetooth, open the case, and at the back of your AirPods you guys gonna find a little button. Hold it down for 10 seconds and it should start glowing white. After 10 seconds, release. And there you go guys, AirPods. So then click on AirPods and there you go guys, you are fully connected. And yes guys, this can work on laptops as well, okay? On gaming PCs and laptops, and using this upon Windows. Please remember to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Until next time guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks guys.